They sent me this French bread, and y'all know I'm forever ragging Walmart. Folks, we're starting another project. Y'all, we injured already. Y'all, when I say I've had a time, I have had a time. I just want to start this video out first of all by saying if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This is Granny filming again, and I do apologize that this is the first video that you will see. If you've been around a while, welcome back. Thanks for hanging in there. Y'all know what a mess it is? This one ain't no different, but I'm back. I've been gone for a while. It seems longer to me, I'm sure. But anyway, I don't talk a lot about Jesus on my channel. I know everybody don't have the same beliefs that I have, but I believe in Jesus over here, y'all. Anyway, it's been a little over 2 weeks now since I've had my little mishap, and it set me down a while. When Jesus wants to get your attention, he will get it one way or the other. Anyway, I'm just telling you without telling you because you'll see the video. And spoiler alert, there will be one little graphic photo. But anyway, I scared the handyman half to death. Y'all, I have stomped on nails. I have chopped the end of my finger off. I have done a lot of things in my life. A lot of things have happened to me, but I ain't never depended on God like I have here. Hold on, y'all can't even see anything I'm doing. Let's just continue. So anyway, is that better? Y'all, I don't know. I got my shampoo in here. I'm having to I had to wash my hair in the sink. Some of y'all might think that's mighty gross, but when you don't have many choices, you just don't have many choices. But anyway, when I say I've been having a time, I've been having a time. Cooking, getting something to eat, which I take that back. You know, people looking out for me. Doing the dishes and keeping the house, getting a shower or bath. Me over here acting like I still got to keep house. What? Anyway, I wanted to start this video out. Don't ever take anything for granted. You know, you're poking along here, you're moseying along, and you're thinking everything is kosher and good and all that stuff. And then all of a sudden, there's one mishap or one thing that happens. I mean, you're down for the count. But anyway, don't take anything for granted. And I know probably, well, I know some people who visit my channel are not of the Christian faith or may believe in God and all this. But let me tell you, when you got Jesus in your life, he will take care of you. He will take care of you. And I'm telling you, as you see this video, you will see how he saved me from myself once again. So anyway, I'm finishing up these dishes, and it ain't easy, but it's good. It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Let's get started. And when I say don't take anything for granted, I mean we know Jesus is there, but we have some responsibility here. Of course, I got the fan on in there, but I didn't do a grocery haul this week. But when I got groceries, they sent me this French bread, and y'all know I'm forever ragging Walmart. And I usually order Italian bread because I'll be making spaghetti. And you know spaghetti is an Italian meal. But now I gotta figure out how to make French spaghetti. But way back when I used to buy French bread, because I didn't know no better, I had French bread with spaghetti and steak and whatever else I had. I didn't know no better, but back in the day it was 99 cents a loaf, and it was way bigger than this. Way bigger. And this loaf is $1.47. The same thing as the Italian loaf, whether it's sliced or not. And y'all know they sent me the non-sliced one. But anyway, I already broke the bread. It was a little bit bigger. Alright, I'm going to carry on and make some French spaghetti. Okay, we didn't make French spaghetti, but we did make a crock pot roast. I'm way more cultured and refined. Yeah. Okay, but we're not doing spaghetti today. We're doing a pot roast. Crock pot roast. And we're making preparations today to repair this floor. Gotta feed these people. You know how we do it. With the pot roast, we're having lima beans, and we're going to add a little bit of rice, and we're going to get ready for repairs. Bring it all at one time. Folks, we're starting another project. Yeah. Tools are involved.
Went this way?
Yeah. Y'all, we injured already. Where's it at? Okay, I gotta. Okay, so far we have a hole here. We have a hole here. So we see what the problem is. We're covering that up for the night. And just gonna take a little break. You see better from this angle, but anyway. It's growing again, y'all. Nice and pretty in the cone. It was below 32 last night. Look how good it looks. The colder the better. Okay, y'all, it's the next day. I'm checking out all these tools. Y'all, look. Is that a toilet brush? Y'all remember when I was using that to wash the car? Toolmen use it too. Handyman. It looks like this is really going to be a job. Y'all, I know he has got to be so tired of me following him around and watching. but it does interest me. And if I can help in any way, I do try. Keep that in mind. I try. Y'all, this right here is what we call full-blown get-out country style. And if we be having to do it in the dark, we do it in the dark. All right, let's get her done.
All right, we'll do 219s. The saw's outside. All right. That was nice. That's great. Put your hand on it. But I think it's pretty close to just staying there by itself. Just slide that trash can over here. We're probably gonna have to shut the door. All right, you ready? And that's as well as that side, yes.
Alrighty. Now, I've made it up. And I'm gonna go sit back down.
Well, you got a video of you falling?
No, well, the board stopped. Coming through with another number 2. And right here, folks, is where it all happened. If y'all did not see that big hole in the floor. Yeah, it was right there. There's where it was. There's where it all happened. Granny fell through the floor. Big mistake. Big. Oh, man.
This one got over here. Oh Lord.
What happened?
We hand me my little.
I almost quit, y'all. This filming stuff can be dangerous. So y'all be careful out there. I did laugh about it when it happened. I don't know why. I mean, it's pretty serious. I got banged up pretty bad. I have pretty much a hole in my leg, my hand injury. The other leg's okay. Oh my God. Oh, that's Granny. That's Granny. Anyway, let's carry on and get her done. Y'all, this is leftovers. We eat so fast, I didn't even get a video of the afters. But anyway, here it is. So the floor's done. I'm done. Granny's done. And this is the crock pot roast with lima beans and rice. The pot roast, this was a pork roast actually, and it was so peppery. Anyway, thank y'all for sticking around always, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And remember, be careful out there. Filming can be serious. What a dumb mistake I made. Anyway, I'm gonna make it. I'm on the mend, and I'll be back soon. Bye-bye.